Ship shafting system jackup showing the bearing reactions with strain gauge measurements. Dr. Anis Margaranis, a high level of bearing tube lubricant oil lead contamination, despite all recorded vertical reactions being normal, indicates misalignment in a transverse direction. The contact areas between the shaft and the bearing were low, and the bearing trace revealed port-starboard misalignment. The white metal became brighter due to unbonded lead particles, which also revealed the brightest regions when viewed under an ultraviolet light source. In a standard jackup test, a dial gauge is used to indicate shaft lift, which involves applying force to the jack as determined by a load cell or pressure gauge, knowing the diameter of the hydraulic pump. Recording the results increases and decreases pressure. However, the correction factor is not available in most cases, and the jack location is not in the center of the bearing. The new method can measure the bearing reaction in any direction presented. 3 strain gauges are installed on the shaft, 2 at the fore and 1 at the aft of the intermediate bearing, and the bending load on the shaft is recorded as part of the strain gauge's approach to address this problem. Strain converters, whether wired or wireless, can capture these data and deliver simultaneous readings on your smartphone app. To show the outcomes, the entire alignment image can be displayed in any orientation and on any color scale. A Zoom X500 projection to the hull side is utilized since the quantities are frequently too small. Comparing the colors on both sides, if the color is the same, no deviation of alignment exists. The same criterion applied to the vertical aft part of the tube and the fore part to the main engine flywheel and thrust bearing. Excellent alignment results in both vertical and transverse directions can be achieved by repositioning the bearing.